Hello everyone, I request you all to go through the disclaimer first. Today we are going to study about Ruchika Yoga in astrology. Ruchika Yoga is provided by planet Mars. By the placement of the Mars in different signs forms Ruchika Yoga. Let's study in detail. Ruchika Yoga is being provided by the planet Mars. By specific placement of the Mars in particular sign or in particular degree in particular sign, it provides Ruchika Yoga. Let's study in detail. Ruchika Yoga is one of the yoga of Pancha Mahapurusha Yoga. The other yogas in the class of Pancha Mahapurusha Yoga are Hamsa Yoga, Malaviga Yoga, Bhadra Yoga, Shasha Yoga. Ruchika Yoga is formed by the placement of Mars in a specific house, and that too in specific sign. The planet Mars obtains special capability to give special results to the native having Ruchika Yoga in their birth chart. But there is a need to understand Ruchika Yoga and how it is formed. Let's explore the meaning of Ruchika Yoga in astrology. We proceed further. The results of the Ruchika Yoga. The person born with the Ruchika Yoga at the birth will be a king, owner of the lands in vast amount, a commander in army. The Ruchika Yoga indicates a commander in army, high political or government dignitary respected by good people. He will have in his hands and feet mark of conch or sword. His body will be beautiful. The native will eat delicious food and will be virtuous. He will possess all good qualities of planet Mars, and he will be helpful to his friends and a nightmare to his enemies. This is my website. I have given the link of the website in the description box. Anyone wants to come for a consultancy, they can approach me through website or telephone number, mobile, WhatsApp or Telegram. Number is 9282103960. I request you all to subscribe the channel, press the bell button so that you can get the latest information at the faster rate. Thank you very much.